All right, today we're tuning this Dutchboys built. This is a 1971 Camaro. It has a Whipple Supercharged LT4 in it. The engine was something we machined and assembled here in-house. Dutchboys supplied the majority of the components for it. This car is a T56 backed with an S1 shifter. It's a 9-inch in the back. It has an S1 shifter, which is kind of a unique touch. I don't know if you guys have seen that. Instead of an H pattern, it's like a sequential gearbox style, like an I pattern or whatever you want to call it. It's a forged line wheel car, as are the majority of the cars they do. I love the flat red on this thing. When Paul debuted this car a few years ago, they won a bunch of awards at SEMA with it. I can't remember the awards specifically, but it's also won a few Good Guys awards, and it's just like everything else they do. It's a very nice quality build. Check the interior out. It's just, look at how well the cage fits, all the small details of it. You get a shot of that shifter in there. And then all the details under the hood are crazy. All the fasteners and how they're, perfectly spaced, and all the panels are perfectly fit. It's a neat car. This thing's been around for a little while. It is on a different owner now. It was Paul's, the owner of Dutchboys Hotrods. It was his car originally. He has sold it since then. What I loved most about this thing originally was Paul drove this car everywhere. It was really good to see a car of this quality just get driven. It has a 335 rear tire on it and a 315 front tire on it. There's a whole bunch of rubber. Definitely is a unique side of this thing. I'll show you a little bit more of the car and we'll get rolling on the tune-up. Give you another shot of the car here. It is a beautiful thing. I hope you guys liked the shot of the shifter. I think it's pretty cool. It's the first time I've driven it with that shifter in it, and I have to say I do like it. It's a neat piece. But we'll roll this thing off here so these guys can come get this yet today, and look forward to the next one.